All right, guys, we made it to the State Fair. This is the old main entrance, as you can see. Let's get inside and see what we can eat. It's gonna be awesome. First thing on the menu, corn dog from Poncho Dogs. Best corn dogs in the fair. So I got a giant egg roll on a stick, pork egg roll. I don't know why, but these things are super good. Dilly dog, bratwurst inside a pickle, breaded and deep fried like a corn dog from Spud and Swine or something. Deep fried white cheddar cheese curds. Deep fried white cheddar cheese curd. Blueberry key lime pie and lavender lemonade. All right, at State Fair, another day. This is the other entrance. So yeah, I think today's gonna be way more crowded than the last. This will all be in one video, so whatever. Let's see how it looks.
Let's come to our meets and just actually see.
Deep fried Twinkie on a stick. Deep fried Twinkie on a stick. Deep fried chocolate chip cookie dough egg roll things. Oofta taco, fry bread taco. Oofta taco, fry bread taco. Giant bratwurst and kraut and mustard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mango Dada. I don't know what's in it, but it looks really good.
Potato skin thing. Breakfast potato skin.
With hollandaise sauce?
Apparently.
What do you got there?
These are
Say it loud.
blue cheese and corn frits. They're delicious.
All right, Moose's Gear Goo review. We got a breakfast potato skin with scrambled eggs, peppers, blackened beef, and some béarnaise sauce.
This is the Nashville hot chicken on a stick. Yummy.
I found a Bigfoot. Kinda.
It's a replica.
Sam Squatch. A squanchy. My trip is complete. Gizmo sandwich. Super good. Minnesota corn dog. Minnesota corn dog with blueberries, apple, wild rice, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper. Buttermilk biscuit with rhubarb jam. Buttermilk biscuit with rhubarb jam. And biscuits and gravy with a really spicy sausage. Berries on a stick. Twig and berries. Feta bites. $2 hamburger. Yum. Mountain Dew. About 2 hours or an hour and a half. Chrono Pup. Only get them at the State Fair. All right, Nordic tacos, Pebbles and Bam Bam, and Al Pastor waffle tacos. Yum. Tom Thumb mini donuts. Yum. Foot long hot dog. Or about a foot long hot dog. Yeah. Those Sweet Martha's fresh baked cookies. And then I got to do this. Whoa.
And the label.
Sweet Martha's fresh made cookies. Lefse with lingonberry sauce. Sweden in the house. Cheese curds. Chocolate malt with a cherry on top. All right, poutine.
What kind of gravy?
Turkey.
Turkey. Okay, can I have one?
Yes, $7.
Spam curds. Jalapeno and original. Giant pork tenderloin sandwich with pickles and barbecue sauce. Bigger than the bun. Vegetable spring rolls. Vegetable spring rolls. Spring Grove's black cherry soda. There's how busy it is. Wild rice cheeseburger. Wild rice cheeseburger. Wild rice cheeseburger. More mini donuts. Boom. Yo guys, last day of the fair. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day today, at least so far. It's been kind of overcast and rainy most of the time, but hopefully you enjoyed this ride. I'm gonna get my last few morsels of food to eat, and it'll be a sad day because now I have to wait a whole another year before I can eat some of these terrible for me but terribly delicious food options. So let's see what we eat today. Handcrafted onion rings. Handcrafted onion rings. No bologna coney. No bologna coney. Cuban fusion fajita. Cuban fusion fajita. Deep fried pickle with ranch dressing. Breaded deep fried pickles with ranch dressing. They're dill. Polish sausage on a plastic fork. Deep fried Oreos with powdered sugar. Deep fried Oreos. All right, so there you have it. Just got off the last park and ride. Heading home now, and that's it for the State Fair. So thank you guys for checking this video. Hopefully you found the things I ate interesting. Sorry I didn't really give you a reaction to any of them, but just gives you an idea. Also, in the comments down below, if there's anything you liked or had questions about, or even suggestions for foods I should try next year, put it down below. Other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Hit the bell notification. And hopefully we can do this again next year. Peace.